Okay, we're going to go over the heavy grace, ascending grace for women, and then we're going to go over the jerk ladder. This is how it's going to work for the team portion. We're going to say the women will be behind their platform, okay? Their bar will already be loaded to the weight that they're going to start with, which is 115 pounds. So they'll have a 15 kilo bar, and then we need to load it up. So grab some fives. There's some fivers on there. Fivers.
Oh, put them on first.
Yeah. You got 115 on the bar. You guys can break this up however you want to break it up as long as you finish 30 reps. You do 30 reps at 115 and then 30 reps at 135, and you have a 10-minute time cap. In this event, just like some of the other events that we'll be talking about later, pays to be a winner. If you finish early, you get more rest time before you start your jerk ladder. If you cap out, you're still only going to get 1 minute of rest before you have to start your jerk ladder. So let's just hit a couple reps real quick if we can. It could be a squat, clean, split jerk as long as you recover all that. So why don't you do a power clean and power jerk. 1. Drops it. And then she has to rotate and get back behind her partner. You can't face each other in this workout. You have to be facing out towards the crowd. So you want to do a power clean and split jerk? Recovers and good rep. Snap, crackle, pop. Let's say that was 30 reps. Now the women are responsible to change their weight, and all they're going to do is simply add 10-pound bumpers to each side of the bar. And then they're going to go through 30 reps at the 135. You guys have maybe done all this. So we're going to go through 30 reps at the 135 bar, and when they finish, that's their time. It's worth a score. If they fail to complete the workout in 10 minutes, there will be a 1-second penalty for each repetition that is not completed. At 10 minutes, it's 3, 2, 1, rotate with a 1-minute rest. At that time and that time only, the females will have to take their bar and put it on the rack. So somebody will clean that up and put it there. You can help each other. You both can do it at the same time. They're going to rotate. Hey, you want to throw that ball on the rotate? Throw that ball. Oh, no, yeah. Now, similar to the individual event, during the rest time when they're rotating to the jerk station, the gentleman will be rotating to the platform. So you're going to be back here with me. And we'll have 185 on the bar, and then we'll also have a set of 45s next to us to load the 225. The men, on 3, 2, 1, go, will perform the heavy grace. And the heavy grace is 30 reps at 185, followed by 30 reps at 225 pounds. If we finish, we rest. We cannot go over and help the women. We can cheer them on, but we cannot rotate over. We have to stay here. The women will load their bar to 145 pounds. All right. So the way that we're going to do this is that you guys, during the 1-minute transition, will have time to strip your weights off and set it where you want it. You'll have every color plate over there, every weight. So, remember they have 15 kilo bar. So this is going to be their first start weight, which is 145 pounds. Okay. So they're going to do a jerk this real quick. Bam. 3, 2, 1, go. While we're starting, just 50 seconds. We'll have the judge with a 50-second timer. Well, it's really a minute timer. Just 50 seconds to complete it and have the partner complete it. So 3, 2, 1, go. She hits it, recovers, good rep. She can drop it or she can bring it back down the racket. She's out of the way, her partner comes up. If she fails the rep, she can then, they can both rack it back up, or Stacy, why don't you just clean it back up? And then Lauren can get ready to go again, and then Lauren can go and do the rep again, as long as she completes it in 50 seconds. If she doesn't complete the rep in 50 seconds, she got a big fat goose egg for the team, all right? But she's going to hit at least one bar. Let's say she's out. She's out. Stacy is then going to go, and Lauren can still help her change the weights. So they're going to right now go ahead and load up to, just throw some fibers on there. You can load it however you want. You guys have your strategy for how you want to load your weights. But y'all have a 10-second transition. If you finish before, if it only takes you guys 25 seconds to each hit the bar, you can change your weights right then. You can go ahead and change them. So let's say Stacy goes, and she's going to work all the way up, increasing by 10 pounds, and the final bar is 235 pounds for females. If she hits that, awesome. That's what she's done. That's what she gets. There's no tiebreaker. It just is what it is. She gets 235. All right, now, when they're done, they get their bar out of the way. So when they're done, move your bar out and off. They're just going to move it out of the way. It'll be over there. You don't move it over there. The cool thing is now is that when the guys rotate to the rack, so you want to go ahead and get it up. Yep. The guys that start at 245, they're going to go up to 335. They're going to go to the rack. They have a 1-minute rest where they're transitioning and they're loading up plates. And they already have 225 on the bar, so they can go to 245. And we're not going to demo any reps. We're just going to go through this. The females in this particular portion of the workout can help the males with the jerk flap. Okay? They are allowed to assist changing plates, helping put the bar back up, because the males may go up to a significantly heavy load, which they may need a little bit of help from the females to get the bars up onto the rack. And it's the same rules apply. If they finish at 335, that's what they get, and if they stop early, they stop early. All right, thank you.